What's up, family? I'm here in this DIY art studio. Your boy's getting into fine art. I'm with my boy Mason Rothschild here. He's gonna help me out, help me bring my vision to life.
What is your vision? Let's explore that.
Okay, picture this. I want like a true self-reflection chamber. Like Mac DeMarco almost had it, but he wasn't there yet. I just always wanted to take a selfie with like all the angles that I can possibly get.
Where do you do your best thinking?
I mean, my most meditative headspace is when I'm alone in the B room.
Maybe we can turn that B room into a G room.
You're definitely picking up what you're putting down. Mirrors on all sides. I need, like infinity.
Infinity.
Infinity. See, your boy's always thinking. I come up with like great names for things. Infinity.
Yeah, so what I'm feeling from you right now is we're gonna need at least body height mirrors surrounding you in your most private moments. Maybe we can upvalue your experience to be a little more gold plated.
Whoa, you just gave me an idea. The whole room with mirrors around me and like a gold toilet in the middle.
Yeah, I think we're there.
I want to do something for the people. I'm tired of rich art. I want like trash. That's art. That's what art is. By the way, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm rocking sage now. Turtleneck only. How else am I gonna get credit in the artist community? Speaking of trash, let's go see what we can find in the trash. Actually, in the dumpster out like right here. Now that's what I call upcycling, family. All right, we're out here, family. This is one of my favorite places to shop. Freaking dumpster. I got my Lincoln Builders helping me. Yo, Jack, what's back there? Nah. You know, that might be pretty useful. We're getting some work done here. That's exactly what I'm looking for, Jack. These Los Angeles dumpsters got your boy feeling spoiled right now. I mean, look at this gold toilet. These mirrors, you know, I'm just gonna sign this right now because, I mean, this alone is art. I'm on my Duchamp grind right now. All right, so we got these mirrors, but here's the thing. I need them to like stand up by themselves.
Well, it's a good thing that you found these theater jacks. I feel like we could use them to make them stand up.
Oh, cool. You got an extension cord?
Dude, I think we're gonna need a little more torque than that.
Oh, I see what you're saying, a little...
Drill safety 101. You wanna squeeze the trigger very lightly until you get the proper torque.
All right.
The main thing you want to remember about this is you never want to switch this to number 2.
All right, I mean, seems simple enough. Let's get freaking torqued, family.
What you're gonna do is not drill too hard here because you might break gear.
Mason kind of moves a little slow. He's like kind of a first gear kind of guy. I mean, your boy's always stuck in second gear, so I'm putting this thing on 2.
Well, I don't know about that, man. Okay.
Well, I put the thing on 2 and it went right through the glass. I mean, you gotta break a few eggs to make fine art, I guess. But one thing I will say is this would have never happened if, I just used it.
Never want to switch this to number 2. Put this thing on 2. Well, I don't know about that, man.
I mean, hopefully everyone will learn to listen to me more and know that my ideas are like good ideas, but it's just cosmetic. Let's continue with this. All right, well, let me give you a little rundown of what's happening. Got a lot of lights going on, different palettes and shit. I gotta make sure the shit wraps. You got these Tabasko-sized mirrors here, and look at this gold toilet here. I mean, they were just throwing this shit out. One thing that I did, one of my greatest achievements, my piece de resistance. Now this is some next level shit. Supreme's not shitting on us anymore. We're shitting on them. All right, guys, this is looking great, but also, this is all wrong. It needs to be like infinity. I'm seeing open panels here. Mason, has anyone seen Mason?
Yo, what's up, man?
Look, I'm sitting here and there's like, it's not infinity and I need it to be like everywhere, man. Is there any more, how many reflective surfaces are in this building?
Let's take inventory, man.
All right, I think what we need is more. These guys, they're doing good, but it seems like there might be a little bit of a communication breakdown. And usually I just DIY this stuff myself, but real artists have other people make their shit for them, so that's what I'm doing. I'm a real artist, Hopefully they start understanding what I'm saying to them a little more, but I think we're on our way. I sure am ready to do some reflecting now. Can I get some fog in here? Fog? Can we get fog? All right, now we got the fog rolling in. This is some high concept shit. I'm trying to get off my chest. Like growing up in LA and everything, I'm like an influencer now. Constantly I have to like check myself and like screaming at this boy. But I found out the real boy's in here, family, in my dome. So I gotta do some reflecting and figure it all out. I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, now this is a heavy fog, but maybe a little too heavy. I mean, can we get a fan in here or something? Guys, hello? I can't see my art. How?
Yeah, I got it.
No, it's 2019 now. I think this is really my year. I'm gonna have a bigger comeback than Soulja Boy, bigger comeback than Ted Bundy. Your boy's going through the roof.
I'm really feeling positive about the space we've created together, dude.
This is genius, man. I mean, I'm a genius.
Yeah, you're a genius.